Hello friends, welcome back to Fun Learning YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to make Father's Day card very easy and without any wastage here. We require A4 size sheet, A4 size colored sheet, origami sheet and some buttons. Of course we also require Fevicol. So we will start with colored sheet. So we are going to make a door kind of thing. Right? If you want to measure, you can measure into 4 parts, then take the rest 2 parts and you can fold it. Once we have done the door system, now let us attach white sheet on this. So it has length of 21 centimeter and breadth of 13 centimeter. Let us apply some glue and paste it. While pasting, you can take help of another paper and you can spread the Fevicol. Make sure little portion is left out on top of the color sheet. Yes, like this. So now we are going to mark the center portion and then we are going to leave some space from center portion, approximately 2 or 2.5 centimeter, and rest we are going to draw a line. We are going to cut the only lined portion here. Yes, like this, and cut on the other side also. Now this is a kind of split we have made in the sheet. Now we are going to take one portion of the split sheet. We are going to fold it the slanting way. When you are sure you have got the correct line, you can press the line. See, it looks like the collar. Now that was the collar for shirt. Now we need to make collar for jacket. For jacket, if you want a reference point, you can mark it 7 centimeters or 8 centimeters as per your paper. Just give a slanting bend. Make sure the bend is correct and then press it. Now it's time to make tie. We need origami sheet for making the tie. It is very simple. We just need to make one fold. This is a diagonal fold. And then we are going to make the opposite end meet of this paper. One more fold. Yes. You can follow these steps. This tie is going to really look very beautiful. You can choose any color of your choice, but make sure the color is little bright. Even for jacket, other than blue, you can use black, you can use brown, but I feel this blue is looking very cool. So choice of colors are completely on you. You can make funky tie also with the colorful printed papers. And see, just follow the folds and it is very easy. So our tie is now ready. We can stick this tie below the collar. So let us check how we are going to do this. Here is our collar. Yes, that's the correct way. You can stick with help of your Fevicol. Once we have done this sticking part of the tie, our card is ready by 80%, right? And now only the outer side of the card is remaining. We need to decorate it, and we can decorate it as per our choice. So I have buttons, so it is matching to my coat or jacket's button. So I am going to use this button. I am going to use Fevicol to secure it, and I will also make a pocket handkerchief. Yes. So can you see, we hardly used scissor. We have used it, but then we had no wastage, right? This paper also I have taken it from the rough paper, and yes, see how beautiful it looks. Now I think I can give some more detailing to this. I will just give collar a black line, dotted line, so that it looks more beautiful. Our beautiful Father's Day card is already done. Now we just need to add some wordings inside, and it's all set. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have more ideas, you have more ways of decorating the card, decorating the jacket, you can make yours and you can share the pic in comment. Thank you for watching.